On this week's episode of Art Review with Mr. Squiggles, he's going back to a place of his childhood, the Treehouse Art Garden.
So what do you think about coming back to the Treehouse Art Garden?
Well, I always visited this place in my youth, and when I got the call to come back, I simply couldn't resist. I wanted to see what they've done with this place. I must visit these young, inspiring artists. I was once like them.
Mr. Squiggles is a 5-star art critique nationwide. His review must not disappoint.
And what are you doing, young, inspiring artist?
Man, I don't know. I'm just drawing a picture of a hot dog.
So beautiful! The hues and the saturations. It reminds me of when I played as a child in the Jack Diner. And what is this?
Well, I really like the color red, so I did the fire truck.
Marvelous! The use of the acrylic paint and the abstract stick figure. It reminds me when I played on the fire truck as a child. And what about you, young artist?
I don't know, I'm just drawing a picture of a mouse.
Oh my goodness! It captures the human emotion and nature in the luminescence of the hues. It's beautiful! Oh my goodness, it takes me back to my childhood. I have a question for you.
Yes?
How are you inspiring these young artists? What do you do? It's so beautiful!
Here in the art garden, we do daily art projects based off of our favorite books or exhibits, and sometimes even holidays.
Can even the littlest artists do it?
Yeah, of course.
I can almost cry. It's amazing!
So how was your trip to the art garden today?
I get it now. It took me back to when I was a child.
And now we're at the end of our episode. Till next time, friends, keep inspiring others.